Go ahead. Woo!
Look at that flame.
Can I shoot another one?
Yeah, shoot the next one over.
Hey, is that got a big enough muscle brake?
The second one over.
One to the right.
Yeah, the one. Yeah, of the two sitting there.
Are you ready?
You bet.
Oh, damn it. I can't.
It's hard to see where that bottle is. You gotta look for the bottleneck sticking up out of the top.
I know, but my sunglasses are so freaking huge in Hollywood style.
Hollywood.
Hollywood!
I took a big chunk out of it.
That was a pretty one, Mama.
I just got hit.
You gonna take the next one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm out.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yes. Here, I'll get it.
Oh, I'm not good at that.
Just say one and then shoot it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Woohoo!
That was a pretty one.
Oh.
I'm gonna borrow you.